If you want to learn MQL5, then this is a very good reference PDF that is available free from the MQL website. Just type MQL5 PDF in the Google search bar and you will get this. Click on it and you will download this MQL5 PDF. Now, if you are a trader and you don't know programming and you are interested in learning programming, then this reference is ideal for you. So let me just show you this MQL language reference for MT5 client terminal. So this is a very good detailed reference, something like 6,500 pages. It starts from the very beginning and you'll understand everything: data types, operation expressions, operators, variables, preprocessor, object-oriented programming. Object-oriented programming explains it very beautifully. So once you learn it, you can then easily understand Python, C Sharp, Java as well, constants, enumerations, and structures. Then we have got this data structures, codes, warning, MQL5 program running, trade permission, client terminal events, predefined variables, common functions, get, take, count, reset, last error, resource free, resource read image. Then these array functions, everything is there. I would suggest that you download it. It's not a big file, it's just 30 MB file. Then there are so many things. Now MQL5 is a very powerful language. They have added so many things: statistics, arc, max, arc, minimum, max, minimum, sum, product, features, machine learning. You see, there's machine learning library also. Activation, derivative, loss gradient, regression metric, confusion metric. So you can use the machine learning library available in MQL5. Conversion functions, string functions, date time, backup, event handling, market info, and there's another section, custom symbols. You could download it, custom indicators, trade functions, network functions, sockets, how you to create sockets, how to close sockets. This is a very beautiful reference PDF file function you should have on your computer. It's a PDF, custom indicators, object functions. So working with optimization results, working with events, working with OpenCL. So you learn so many things working with databases, database transaction, and then there is Python integration. Let's check it. So Python integration, you can, and you should go through it. It explains everything, how you go to use Python to open and close trades, how you go to use Python to download data, how you to use Python to do algorithmic trading. Another very interesting thing that I found was that it has got a C library also. So if you want to code fussy indicators, I hope you understand what fussy logic is. You know, we always do true and false in black and white. But in real life, nothing is black and white, true and false. It can be shades of true or shades of false. So Fussy Library allows us to model these things. when there is fussiness about the true the decision making. So there are two types of fussy systems, Mamdani and Sogino. That has got all these things. You see, I'll show you this fussy library, fussy logic. Fussy logic is a library for working with fussy logic. So you can use this fussy logic library to develop custom indicators and expert advisors. Go through it. It's a very good reference class, get value, fussy. You got instead of the fussy, the examples are given. You just go through these examples and then see composite membership function, how this membership function you have to define, composition type, membership functions, get value, method generated from the class. So it is how it is. Membership functions, get value, two different see difference two segmental membership function. So this membership function you can use. This is of a C library that is available in the MQL5, and you should go through it. And if I get time, I can make a few videos and show you how we're going to create custom indicators and expert advisors using this fussy logic. So I told you there are two types of fussy logic systems, Mamdani and Sugino. Both are available in this MQL5. Once you go to the reference, you will understand how to use it and see normal membership function. So you can see everything. Trapezoidal membership function. So very good. C product, two sigmoidal membership function. So membership functions are important in fussy logic, and I want to show you that Sugino logic function sigmoidal. So you can read these examples. Trapezoidal membership function. Yes, this is trapezoidal. So you can. We have this membership functions in fussy logic. So it helps us model the uncertainty in decision making. As told you that nothing is black and white, true and false. There is always shades. So we will use this membership function, define them to model that uncertainty in decision making. So you can see it's a very detailed reference. You can see Mamdani fuzzy rule. You can then use it Mamdani fuzzy rule. So Sugino fuzzy rule. So in Sugino, output is a linear combination. I would suggest you go through this MQL5 reference. You should download it. If you plan to learn MQL5, this is a great resource. This is freely available. Everything is very beautifully explained in it.